Hello and welcome to the TOEFL Speaking Tutor. My name is Anthony Salvaggio and I will be your instructor throughout this class. Today we're going to be talking about question types number 5 and 6 of the TOEFL IBT. During this lesson we will discuss the different guidelines for each question type. Then we will review the types and examples so you know what to expect. Then we will outline some basic principles to help improve your speaking abilities and improve your score. So let's begin with question type number 5. The fifth speaking task is to summarize a problem, give the stated possible solutions, and then tell which you prefer and say why. You will first listen to a conversation about someone with a problem. Then you will be asked a question about that conversation. Be certain to take notes throughout the conversation, especially about the solutions. Here are the guidelines for question type number 5. First, state the problem that the student has. State the solutions that are presented during the conversation. State which solution you prefer. This should all be done rather quickly. Then, you want to give your first reason why you prefer that solution. Explain in detail why you prefer that solution. Then give the second reason, and again, explain in detail why you prefer that solution. Okay, some suggestions for question type number 5. Keep in mind that for this question, you usually have 20 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. Before the test, know your speech structure and memorize and practice it several times. During the conversation, write down the problem. Write down each solution. During the 20 seconds of preparation time, decide on which solution is easiest to write about. Quickly write your reason for choosing the solution and write down any details about that reason. During the speech, state the problem, the solutions, and your preference very quickly. Plug in your reasons and details. Be sure to focus on this part of the speech. Include your conclusion to restate your preference if there is time. For question type number 6, the last of our speaking tasks, is to summarize a lecture. You will listen to part of a lecture. You'll be asked to restate the points of the lecture in your own words. And you'll need to give reasons and details from the lecture. So our guidelines are to state the main topic or idea from the lecture. Give reason 1 about a point of the lecture. Give a detail about that reason. Then tie together the ideas between reason 1 and the main idea of the lecture. Give your second reason about a point of the lecture. Give a detail, and then again tie together between reason 2 and the main idea. Some suggestions for this type of question are, again, keep in mind that you usually have between 20 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. Before the test, know your speech structure and memorize it and practice it several times. During the lecture, write down the main idea of the lecture. Write down each reason or point with details. During the 20 seconds of preparation time, quickly write the reasons. Then write down any details presented about that reason. Then also work on the links back to the main idea. During the speech, state the main idea of the lecture very quickly. Plug in the reasons and details. Be certain to link this back to the main idea of the lecture. Include your conclusion if time. So, some basic principles to improve your score. Again, like we always say, practice every day, by yourself, with family and friends. Record your voice and listen to how you sound. Take advantage of our feedback program and have your instructor give you direct feedback on your speech. Practice your command of English grammar. Work on using complex sentence structures during your speech. Work on improving and varying the sentence structure in your speaking. Listen to English as often as possible. For the advanced class, you're welcome to join us for our virtual class where you can listen and practice with one of our qualified native speakers and receive instant feedback. Again, my name is Anthony Salvaggio, and I've enjoyed talking to you today. Be sure to listen to some of our other lectures about improving your score on the TOEFL IBT.